In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use template in Renderforest. First, open the Renderforest homepage. This is your starting dashboard, where you'll see sections like AI tools, newly released templates, and personalized recommendations. Take a second to scan what's featured here. It helps you spot fresh designs and see what's trending. If you already have a project in mind, keep your goal in mind, whether it's an intro, a slideshow, or a promo, so you'll know what kind of template to look for. Next, click on Templates to open the full library. This is where you'll find a wide range of options. Use the search bar or browse categories to narrow things down. If you're not sure which style fits, hover over thumbnails to quickly preview the vibe. You can also open the template page to read its description and see examples. Look for notes about duration, customization features, and recommended use cases. That information will help you avoid picking a design that's too long, too short, or too limited for your needs. When you find one you like, click the template to open it. Spend a moment previewing the default animation so you understand the pacing and scene transitions. Imagine your message inside this structure and make sure the energy matches your brand or story. If it does, you're ready to start. Before editing, choose an aspect ratio and select Create Now. Aspect ratio matters because it dictates how your video will appear on different platforms. Widescreen is perfect for YouTube and presentations, square works well on feeds, and vertical is ideal for stories and shorts. Pick the format that suits your primary channel so you won't need to reframe later. Now it's time to edit your template. Replace the placeholder text with clear, concise messages. Keep lines short so they're readable on screen. Swap images or video clips with your own media, or use the stock library if it's available. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand, and consider adding music that complements the tone. Upbeat for promos, calm for explainers. If the template includes multiple scenes, review the timeline and trim or reorder where the tool allows, keeping the flow tight and focused. Use the preview function often to catch typos, pacing issues, or mismatched visuals before you export. When you're happy with the result, click Export. Choose the quality that fits your needs, then confirm to render. Rendering can take a bit of time depending on length and effects, so be patient. Once it's done, review the final playback to ensure everything looks crisp and sounds balanced. That's it, you've used a Renderforest template from start to finish.